Good morning all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnanaji Vidyapith, Standard 4. So students, today we'll start unit number 7. In that unit, we'll start money and data handling. What was the money? You all are knowing about the money, right? Money क्या है वो आप सबको मालूम है. Identify at the subtractions higher number and the money. Today I'll show you something difference money so you can identify that things easily. What was the cost? That also I'll explain here. But first you will look at this baby boy. Baby boy having here is a difference. Coins are there and here is a notes are there, right? So this is called a money. Okay, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Okay students, so ये जो आप देख रहे हो, this is one types of coin. ये 5 रुपीज का कॉइन है. यूजुअली सबने इसको देखा ही हुआ होता है, ठीक है. दिस इज अ कॉइन ऑफ द 5 रुपीज. देन 5 रुपीज का कॉइन है. देन दिस वन इज अ 200 रुपीज. ये जो कॉइन है वो ये क्या है? 200 रुपीज इज देयर. सो इन दैट दिस इज कॉल्ड करेंसी. दिस इज इंडियन करेंसी. इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? इंडियन करेंसी, इंडियन रुपीज. दिस कॉल इंडियन रुपीज. यू ऑल आर यूजुअली दिस थिंग्स इज शोइंग, राइट? आप लोग देखते हो ये चीज को. सो ये जो करेंसी, अगर हमारे पास रुपीज नहीं होगे देन वी कांट परचेज एनीथिंग. हम कुछ भी परचेज नहीं कर सकते विदाउट मनी. सो मनी इज द मोस्ट important थिंग्स, राइट? करेक्ट. So this is the money. Now here is a 200 rupees is there, 500 rupees is there. So different monies we are having. 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees, 15 rupees, 100, 500, 2000 and 200, like that. Now I'll show you something here. Okay, now look at this. Cost. What was the cost? That I'll explain here. Let's identify the cost of some example in the tens, hundred and thousand and lakhs is there. In that, now did you identify what is this? The cost of this one is a chocolates, right? This is a chocolates. So in this chocolate, the cost of this chocolate would be in. The cost of the chocolates would be in. ठीक है, हमें चॉकलेट्स की कॉस्ट कितना है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो वुड बी इन टेंस. वुड बी इन द टेंस रुपीज. 65 इज देयर. हाउ मेनी रुपीज आर देयर? 65 इज देयर. देन द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस शूज वुड बी इन. कितने की होगी ये शूज, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस चॉकलेट्स इज 65 रुपीज. बट वॉट अबाउट द शूज? So in that shoes, the cost of this shoe would be in 800. How many rupees are there? 800. Now one more example we are having. Mobile phone. Which example we are having? Mobile phone. The cost of this smartphone would be in. Now again I'll show you something, okay? So the cost of the chocolate, the cost of the chocolates is 65 rupees. Then the cost of the shoes would be 800 rupees. And in a last, the cost of the smartphone would be in 17,000 rupees. How many thousand rupees are there? 17,000 rupees. Now the cost of the car would be in. कार कितने की होगी? So that one is a 7 lakhs. How many lakhs are there? 7 lakhs. So did you understand what was the cost? Cost means कोई भी चीज आप परचेज करते हो उसका जो अमाउंट होता है that called cost. वो कितने का है, ठीक है? So हमने क्या बोला था? हम आज क्या सीखेंगे? One more time I repeat same things. We'll learn about tens, 100, 1000 and lakhs. What we learn? Tens, 100, 1000 and lakhs. So in that, tens is here. Tens, 65 rupees. Then ones and tens. Got it? Then shoes is there. So in that, ones, tens and hundred is there. Ones, tens and hundred is there in shoes price. And the cost of this smartphone would be, so smartphone is a 7,000, 17,000 is there. How it is 7? Ones, tens, hundred, tens and thousand. Got it? Then the cost of this car would be, car कितने की होगी? So in that lakhs, what will be there? Lakhs is there. So ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs is there. So students, now cost is a car is there. So in that lakhs, how it is lakhs? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs is the 7 lakhs. Okay. So did you got it? Tens, thousand, tens, hundred, thousand and 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs is there. Now we'll start next things. Okay students, so now we'll start worksheet number 1. In this worksheet, here is the cost of the object is there. Cost of the object is there. So in that cost of the object is there. So in that, estimate the cost in the rupees of each of the following items. Underline the price band in which is cost would be. Okay. So this one is a chocolate is there. So chocolates will count. हम किस में काउंट करेंगे चॉकलेट्स को? In the tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 or lakhs. So we'll count chocolates in a tens. So what we have to do in that, underline this one. Tens is a correct answer. ठीक है, हम underline भी कर सकते हैं, box भी बना सकते हैं. Now second one is a, this one is a dining table. Dining table is there. So in this dining table, what would be price of the dining tables? डाइनिंग टेबल्स विल बी 10,000 तक. 100 और 1000 का तो आ ही नहीं सकता है. 2000 का डाइनिंग टेबल थोड़ी आएगा. 10 मतलब 65 रुपीज का ऐसे थोड़ी डाइनिंग टेबल्स आएगा. 100 रुपीज में भी नहीं आ सकता है. सो डाइनिंग टेबल प्राइस विल बी टेंस इज देयर. व्हाट विल बी देयर? टेंस इज देयर. 10,000. 10,000 is there. Got it? Now next one is then next object is a laptop. Next one is a laptop is there. So in that laptop, what was the price of the laptop? लैपटॉप की प्राइस क्या होगी? लैपटॉप विल बी नॉट इन द टेंस. 100 में भी नहीं हो सकता है, 1000 में भी नहीं हो सकता है, लैक्स में भी नहीं हो सकता है. सो द लैपटॉप प्राइस इज अ 10,000. लैपटॉप प्राइस इज अ 10,000. नाउ हियर इज अ कार. दिस कार, सो कार प्राइस, व्हाट वाज द कार प्राइस? कार की प्राइस टेंस में भी नहीं हो सकती है, 100 में भी नहीं हो सकती है और 1000 में भी नहीं हो सकती है. सो व्हाट वाज द कार प्राइस? कार प्राइस विल बी अ कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार इज लेक्स. उसको हम किस में काउंट करेंगे? लेक में काउंट करेंगे. ठीक है. then next one is a t-shirt is here. What will be here? T-shirt is here. So in the tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs is there. So in that t-shirt price is a 100. T-shirt price is a 100. वो 200, 500 तक आ सकता है. Now next one is, what will be there? This one is a tens is there. So in that tens is there. So what is bicycle is there? Bicycle will be 10,000. वो भी 1000 नहीं आती है, 10,000 तक. ठीक है. Next one is a potato chips is there. So potato chips will be a tens. वो 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 5 rupees like that. So tens is there. Now this one is a bus. So bus would be a 10 lakhs की आ सकती है. ठीक है. So now students, First you look at this and write it down in your notebook. First look at first four pictures. Four pictures you have to look. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now I'll show you next four picture. You have to write in your notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start adding and subtracting money. Adding and subtracting money, worksheet number 2 is there. So in that, adding and subtracting money in the thousand and lakhs is there. So addition and subtraction of money is the same as the addition and subtraction of the number. Addition and the subtraction of the. For example, add 1,34,200 plus 8,70,093. So in that step 1 what we have to do here? Ones, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs is there. That number we have to write here. 1,34,200, 87,093 is there. Then what we have to do? We have to add 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 9, 9, 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7. So 4 on your mind, 7 on your finger, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is there. 11 we have to write 1. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8. 4 on your mind, 8 on your finger. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to write here 2 and 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. Got it? So in the last we have to write the answer 2,21,293. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये जो हमने किया वो एडिशन था. नाउ विल स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, So students, in that subtraction, 5,43,912 minus 2,85,999. So in that, what we have to do here? Ones, tens, thousand, 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakhs is there. So in that, here we have to write 5,43,912, 2,85,999. Now we'll do addition here. 2 plus 9, 2 on your mind, 9 on your finger. 2 then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But here we have to do subtraction. So 2 minus 9 is not possible. Cut 1, write here 0. Cut 2, write here 12. 12 minus 9, 12 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining number is 1, 2 and 3. So what we have to write here? 3. Then 0 minus 9. Not possible. Cut 9. Write here 8. Cut 0. Write here 10. 10 minus 9. 10 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is there. Cut 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining number is a 1. So what we have to write here? 1. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is possible? Not possible. So what we have to do? Cut 3, write here 2. Cut 9. Cut 8, write here 80. 80 minus 9. 80 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Cut 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we have to write here? 9 is here. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Cut 2, write here 3. Cut 2, write here 12. 12 minus 5. 12 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what we have to write here? 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Now you have to look at this, students. Now in the last we have to write the answer. 2,57,930. Now look at this, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. And students, what was your homework? Your homework is you have to write the worksheet number 1 in your workbook and send the homework before 3 o'clock. Before 3 o'clock आप लोगों को homework है वो हमें send करना है. Okay everyone, I hope so you all are doing work well. Nicely आप लोग work complete करोगे and before 3 o'clock हमें जो homework है वो submit करवाओगे. I hope so students your writing work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Bye all. Have a nice day.